Hi, it's Miss Kim. I have a question for you. What absorbs water? And another thing, what does absorb mean? Absorb means to soak. So like when you spill your juice or a glass of milk, you'll grab a paper towel to clean it up and the milk and the juice absorb into the paper towel. So I was thinking, what kinds of things absorb water? And I think a perfect way to explain that is with this baby diaper. Now, babies wear these all the time, so when they go to the bathroom, then the diaper absorbs it and it keeps them happy and keeps everything dry. So help me count, and we're going to see how many cups of water this diaper can hold. One, and I think that's about all it can hold because that's a big glass of water. This diaper is really wet. As a matter of fact, let's see, which do you think, a dry diaper or the wet diaper, which one will be the heaviest? Let's find out. There's the dry diaper, and here's the wet diaper. Did you guess correctly? The wet diaper is the heaviest. So let's do another experiment, and I have some things here that we're going to see, and you can guess which ones you think will absorb water and which ones you think will not absorb water. So I've got a piece of wax paper, I've got a cotton ball, I have some rocks, I have a penny, I have a little cube of styrofoam, I have a sock, and I have a tissue, and let's see, how about a little piece of aluminum foil right here, and a little piece of tissue paper that we wrap presents in, right there. So let's see which ones absorb water and which ones do not. Now to do that, we're going to use some water, and I'm going to put some food coloring in it because I think it'll be easier to see our experiment if we do that. So there's some green food coloring. And I'm going to put in some water in each of these little cubes. And then we're going to find out which one of these items absorb and which ones do not absorb water. So which ones soak it up, which ones do not. Let's count how many things we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did Miss Kim count right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's find out. So I have 6 cubes filled. 7. There's 8. And there's 9. Now let's see. First I have the wax paper, so I'm going to stick it into the water. Then I have my sock. I'm going to stick into the water. Then I have my tissue paper. to stick in the water. And my aluminum foil to stick in the water. I have my rocks. I have my penny. I have my cotton ball. I have my styrofoam. And I have my tissue. Let's see. I want you to think at home which ones you think will soak up the water and which ones will not absorb the water. Let's find out. First, we have the cotton ball. There's no more water left in the cube. It soaked up all the water. The styrofoam is wet, but it did not soak up the water. The rocks are wet, but they did not soak up the water. See, the water's still in there. The penny is wet, but it did not soak up the water. The tissue soaked up all the water. The tissue paper, did that surprise you? It did not soak up the water. The sock soaked up all the water. It absorbed everything. The aluminum foil did not absorb the water. The water's still in there. And the wax paper did not absorb the water. So I wonder if some of these surprised you. So the things that absorbed the water were the tissue, the cotton ball, and the sock. The rest of these items, the wax paper, the tissue paper, the aluminum foil, the penny, the rocks, and the styrofoam repelled the water. It did not absorb the water. It repelled the water and didn't soak it in. So I hope you had fun and I hope you learned something. I had fun too, and I'll see you next time. Bye.